working remotely. You know your success hinges on the right tools, not just your coffee. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate guide to remote work tools to boost your productivity and sanity. Whether you're a freelancer or just surviving Zoom calls, this guide is packed with must-have apps and pro tips. Let's kick off with communication tools. If your team can't hear you, are you even working? Slack for organized chats, Zoom for meetings, and Microsoft Teams for larger businesses. Pro tip: test your mic before speaking. Next up, project management. Without structure, remote work is like pizza without toppings. Trello for visual thinkers, Asana for goal-driven teams, and ClickUp for everything in one place. Pro tip: color code your tasks. Now let's talk collaboration. Teamwork makes the dream work, even over Wi-Fi. Google Docs for real-time editing, Notion for organized notes, and Miro for creative chaos. Pro tip: use shared docs for everything. Time to focus. Being remote means you're your own boss and distraction. Toggl to track time, RescueTime to see where it goes, and Forest to grow trees by staying focused. Pro tip: block social media for 25 minutes. File sharing. USB drives are out, the cloud is in. Google Drive for easy sharing, Dropbox for reliability, and OneDrive if you're in Microsoft land. Pro tip: organize your folders. Mental health matters. Burnout looks different in sweatpants. Headspace for meditation, Stretchly to remind you to move, and Noisli for happy background sounds. Pro tip: schedule lunch like a meeting. Here's your remote work toolkit. Communicate with Slack and Zoom, manage tasks with Trello or Asana, collaborate via Notion and Google Docs, track time with Toggl, store everything in Drive, and breathe with Headspace. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and share with your remote squad. Got a favorite tool we missed? Drop it in the comments.